welcome back to another video, guys. It is Saturday. It is a beautiful day today, about 60 degrees. We're gonna be taking a nice little ride. We got Jerry here. Jerry, can you please tell everyone how old you are, what do you ride, and how many bikes have you had in total?
I'm 51. I'm riding a 2018 115th anniversary street glide with a stage 4 kit. And
Beautiful.
I've had 61 motorcycles. How
many?
61.
61 motorcycles. That is insane. He told us that a few minutes ago, and I still can't believe it. My jaw just dropped.
Currently, I only have 2 though.
Only has 2 right now. And you sold the 3rd one a little while ago, right?
Yeah, I just
the Triumph.
sold the 3rd one last week.
Awesome.
Streetsman.
Awesome. If you guys remember Jerry, he actually came out last week for the ride that we took to Hawks Nest. Amazing ride. If you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. Beautiful bike. And then we got Camilo. Camilo, what up, man?
What up?
What are you riding?
I only had 2 bikes.
Only 2 bikes. We got the Breakout, and now he has this beautiful CVO here.
And now 2019 Street Glide CVO.
Nice. All right, we gotta go gas up. Well, I gotta gas up. These guys already have gas. And then we're gonna head up. We're gonna head up to Skyland Drive, which is up in borderline New Jersey, New York. We gotta gas up, man. Gas up. Gasolina. Gasolina. Yeah, let's get some gasolina, man. Yeah. Waiting for gas to come down to like $1. So nice out today. I thought it was gonna be a little colder, but it's actually pretty warm. I'm getting like a little hot right now. Have a hoodie under this flannel. All right, guys. Jerry's gonna lead the way today. I'm gonna be in the back. I like being in the back. I like to get everything on video. How's everybody doing today? I hope everyone's enjoying this beautiful day. Hopefully it's as beautiful around your way as it is right now. Like I said, it's 60 degrees and it's warmer than what I thought, so I'm pretty sure it must be like 65 right now. I'm like sweating. Super excited because I haven't ridden all week. Did a video early during the week of the TBR Sound, but that was just around my neighborhood. I haven't really got to ride all week. I was getting the itch already. The ride itch. Not another type of itch. I can't believe that Jerry has had 61 bikes, man. 61. Jesus. Like, I can't even fathom that. It's hard to even think. It's like, how many bikes a year is that? I can't even calculate it right now. Pretty soon, I'm going to be going out to my 3rd bike. I'm trying to work out a few deals right now where I'm going to be able to get the 2nd bike to the channel, which is going to be my 3rd bike. If you didn't know, I had an Iron 883 before I had this bike. Traded it in for this beautiful 2020 Lowrider S. But I've been wanting a sport bike all year. Those of you who've been following me for a while right now, you guys know how much I've been wanting a sport bike. So it's between a R6, a ZX6R, and I'm even looking at DRZ 400s because I love supermotos as well. And up here, there's just a real big culture of people who ride DRZs, especially in New York. DRZs are the type of bikes you mostly see in the hood, basically, but I mean, I'm a big fan of them, man. A cousin of mine, he's had like 3. My boys had like 2 of them, and they're just super cool to customize them. So I don't know. I haven't made up my mind yet. Pretty soon I will. Hey. So I still need to make up my mind. I gotta find out exactly which one I'm getting. DRZ brand new is like 73, which is amazing. The ZX6Rs right now brand new, like a 19 leftover. I've seen them for like 8,300, 8,400, and a 19 leftover R6 right now is going for like 10 flat. R6 is like my dream bike. It's the one I really want. That's a nice bet. The ZX6R, I recently just started really liking it. I used to hate that bike, but recently I've grown fond of it. And I mean, supermotors, I've just always been a fan of them. Us Spanish dudes, we love dirt bikes. So the spot that we're going to today is another location that I was supposed to go last year, but never made it. It's like 40 minutes away, 35 minutes away. It's supposed to be really nice riding roads. After this, it's gonna be pretty much all highway rides, guys. So once we get up there, we'll turn the camera back on, we'll film the roads, we'll get off, we'll get more footage of the bikes, because I'm pretty sure that's what you guys want to see, is more footage of these two beautiful bikes in front of me, and my bike as well. Duh. And that's it, so we'll catch you in a few. Alright guys, so we're up around the area, I believe. A lot of nice little twists around here. We're just going kind of slow because there's some cars ahead of us, and yeah. Welcome to Ringwood, founded 1742. But these are some nice riding roads up here. Nice little canyon roads. Man, I swear, there's no way to enjoy roads like this, nature like this, if you're not on a motorcycle. It's just not the same if you're driving. The experience is nothing. Nothing alike. Beautiful lake to our left right here. Nice open road. Oh, not that open. But nice road through the forest. Guys, if this is the type of content you're into, go ahead, hit the subscribe button right now. Make sure to hit that bell as well to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. I try to do rides like this every week. Right now, with the spring and summer weather coming up, it is what I do. I meet up with my subscribers, my local subscribers, and we go on group rides. We have a good time. We meet new people all the time. It's amazing. Pretty much everyone that I ride with are subscribers that I've gotten, to know. Look at this, beautiful. I've gotten to know and make good friends. I have a lot of good friendships now because of YouTube, because I'm riding this bike, which is amazing. So cool, man. Very grateful. It's amazing. I just want to keep this thing going. Rides every week, modification rides here and there. Now coming up with the other bikes that I'm trying to get, there's going to be more content as well. So I have a lot of good stuff planned for you guys in the next, for this riding season. Got some merch dropping soon. Oh, look at that. Look at the dam over there. The water dam. Damn, the water dam. I really like these roads, man. I just really wish there weren't any cars ahead of us so we just zoom in and out of these twisties. Beautiful. Wow, R33, beautiful. That is one of my favorite Skylines. In your opinion, what would you go with out of those three choices? And no, I don't want to hear the negativity thing with the, oh, why are you adding a sport bike? Why you want to ride a sport bike? No, I ride what I want to ride. Simple as that. So out of those three, ZX6R, R6, and the DRZ, which one will you pick? This beautiful lake up ahead. Wow. Mother Nature at its best. I love riding through roads like this where it's like body of waters on both sides. So awesome. Look at that. It's a beautiful view right there. Those trees coming out of the water. It's like a painting. It's like a damn painting. I'm also thinking about doing a 5-borough ride where we'll go and ride through each and every borough. So we'll start Manhattan, we'll go to the Bronx. From the Bronx we'll cross over to Queens. From Queens we'll go over to Brooklyn, and from Brooklyn we'll go to Staten Island, and then from Staten Island we might just come back to Jersey and loop back around. So that's something I'm thinking about maybe doing. It's gonna take a little while, but I mean, now during this quarantine thing, it's pretty easy to get around like that, because I mean, you know, there's hardly no traffic anywhere. So that's something that I might also be planning. So if you also want to see that, you want to see the 5 boroughs in a video, or if you just want to see maybe a breakdown of each borough, and not just, you know, oh, this is, you know, this is the city, blah blah. I kind of want to ride through, go through the real Bronx, show you guys what the Bronx is really about. You know what I mean? Go through all the grimy neighborhoods, everything, show you the real New York for what it is. Oh, we're here. Paul's place. So yeah, this is the hot dog spot. So we're supposed to be meeting up with Jerry's brother, maybe with a few people right here. My boy's supposed to be meeting up here as well, so I gotta see if he's gonna make it or not. He has a white road glide, which we're gonna do a separate video pretty soon on that bike. If you saw my Instagram, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, know that I post a lot of good stuff on there, so you should be following me. And that's it. Yeah, it smells really good. It kind of smells like cooked relish.
Not bad, right?
It smells so good.
No, I'm taking a ride.
Oh no, that was a nice ride. I've gotten lost through here one time. Yeah, it was me and my boy, the kid that came out with the Ducati last week.
Oh, Will?
Yeah, and we got lost one time, and we rode by the dam and everything else.
Not recently.
Went there last year. It's pretty cool.
That was the one. Didn't you have a video of that?
Yeah, it's on the video.
Yeah.
This guy, man, he's seen a lot of my videos. You've seen a lot of my videos, man.
I've seen all of his and all of yours.
Yeah? Good shit.
I got a lot of time at work.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we just met up with Jerry's brother, and we're gonna keep riding now. We're gonna be going up around the lake somewhere, and then we're gonna make it around to the dam and some twisty roads. So we're gonna continue this nice little ride. He has an old Heritage right there. It's pretty cool. Sick paint job, man. It's supposed to be like 19 out of like 100 and something, or 200, I'm not sure, but pretty cool. All these boats right here. We got the marina up ahead on the right. His boats. we're gonna be going into that, guys. This is nice. So we're made it to the dam. That's some nice cool bikes right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful view. So we got a few videos lined up for you guys for the next 2 weeks, so tune into that. Like always, guys, smash that like button. If you enjoyed this ride so far, smash that like button right now. It's gonna help my YouTube algorithm out a bit, because if you don't hit that smash button, guess what? YouTube is not gonna show this video to anyone else. All right, guys, so that's gonna conclude today's video. Nice little relaxing ride through the twisties and the mountains up here through the dam. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I mentioned before, if this is the type of content you're into, you're in the right place. Go ahead, subscribe. This is my 2020 lowrider S, and we have a lot of future plans for her. A lot of future plans, a lot of future rides planned as well. I hope everyone's enjoying their day. I hope you enjoy this ride. If you're at home at this time right now, you're unable to ride, then I hope you enjoyed today's ride. I just want everybody to enjoy their time off right now while they're stuck at home. For those of you who aren't able to ride, we're riding for you. Like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.